today I will discuss about the quadratic equation, which is important for your class 9, 10th and also important for your class 11, 12th. Its weightage of the quadratic equation is the very high in your any competitive examination. So today I will start and today I will discuss about the quadratic equation. First of all, we know that we knowing about the what is the quadratic equation. So first, the quadratic equation have a 2 degree, means that there exists only one variables of any number. If you are talk about quadratic equation, then it must should be knowing about the which type of the quadratic equation. There is the one variable of the quadratic equation. In have one variables means the highest power of variable should be 2, means that you have any variable, you have any variable like the ax square plus bx plus c, means that the polynomial of the x, and you can take the variable of x square plus y a y square plus by plus c is equal to 0, where abc is the constant and y is the one variable and the x is the one variable. You can take the any examples, any general formula, any different type of the variable. So the general equation of quadratic polynomial is the ax square plus bx plus c. It should be noted that the x is the one variable, x is x, take that is, and where a, b and c are constant. Any problem? A, b are constant. You can take also the another general variable a y square plus by plus c is equal to 0, means that you can write the any form of the any variables like y in a z and in a anything. So that's why important is that key, but the highest power of the any polynomial should be 2. It is also called the binomials polynomials, and is also called the quadratic polynomials. Okay, so how to main fact is that how to introduce and how to the factor of the polynomials. If you have a ax square plus bx plus c, mostly student have a common problem that how to factor and how to find the factor of the quadratic polynomial, so that it is the very simple and very easiest to find the quadratic polynomial. That's why now we start the how to find the factor of this type of the quadratic equation. So that's why if you have suppose you have a example. Now we understand the help of the example. Now you have a x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. The polynomial should be must equal to 0. Then find the value of x. Then if you have any value like many times the power how many times the power is depend on the value of the x. You have a power 2, mean the x have a maximum value is 2. If you have a power 3, means that the variable of the power 3 means that have the value is 3. X you can obtain the value of 3, and 4 that x exists from 4. Okay, so now first of all in this case we multiply the constant the coefficient of the x square and constant c. Now in this case the x square have a coefficient 1. If no the any numbers have no coefficient, means that you can also take the coefficient is 1. Okay, so in this case a is equal to, if you compare ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then you can write a is equal to and b is equal to 5, c is equal to 6. You also should be necessary the value of x have a highest power is 1, then the also you take the value you should be take the sign also. Okay, so now we multiply a cross c. You can obtain the product, and in this type of the product doing a factor which adding or subtracting, you obtain the constant c and adding or subtraction splitting method by 5. Okay, so you have a 5 6 2 into 3, 2 3 is 6 and 2 plus 3 is the 5. Okay, the factor of, you can write the place of the 5x is you can write the place of the 5x 3x square x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Now then after next step is we make the pair. This is the first pair, this is the second pair. You can take the common x square x plus 3 because of x in this also x square and this is also is an x. Okay, now we can x plus 3. So now again you can look at in this questions, x plus 3 also is the common for another region. So x plus 3 also you can take the common. Now you have a x plus 2. Means that x at the highest values, how many the value of the x is 2, 3 and 2. Now you should be 0 and x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 3, x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. The value of x, the value of x is equal to minus 2 and minus 3. So this is the quadratic question which is very important for your examination and the weightage of polynomials and basically quadratic polynomials. In this polynomial also we learn and which is the about the what is the discriminant formula or the Sridharacharya formula. Apply the Sridharacharya formula which can't be solved and we can't be the factor of the any polynomial like x square plus x plus 1. We can't find out the common factor. But if we use the Sridharacharya methods, then definitely you should obtain this factor. So now I will meet the after new sessions and new classes for energetic classes, class 9th and 10th quadratic questions and also the class 11th and 12th all completed courses you can get on, you can look my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is run for the success. So I hope so everybody should be everybody have also like my approach of the teaching. So that's why. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.